I think all of you have joined. So let's start with another protocol, which is called busy tone multiple access protocol. So which is under the main group called contention based, and as you know, in contention based there are two types. One is called sender initiated, and the next one is called receiver initiated. And in again in sender initiated, there are two subgroups: single channel and multiple channel. Okay. Yesterday or in the previous class, we have discussed a protocol which is falls under single channel. Today, I am going to discuss a protocol which is comes under multiple channel. The first point, what we have to understand, what is single channel and what is multiple channel. I think the difference between single channel and multiple channel, I think it is clear to you. Can anyone, can you tell me the difference? I think we have already discussed multiple times single channel. Just I want to make sure that you have understood. Rupam, are you there?
Sir.
Yes. Your voice is not coming.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Uh,
Orindom,
yes, sir. Single channel.
Rupam, your voice is not clear actually. There's network issue.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Orindom, are you there? Tafadzul,
Sir, in single channel we use only one particular single channel to transfer the whatever network transmission we have to do the data and all. In multi-channel we use various nodes, nodes to transfer data. In,
your voice is also not clear. My voice is clear to you or not?
yes, sir.
Where are you, Orindom? You have not response. Divya, can you tell me the difference between single channel and multiple channel?
Uh, in single channel, it is means only one channel is used for the transmission and the transmission, and in multiple multi in that the channel is divided into so many channels and it is transmitted. Sir, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible, but your voice is also not clear. Okay, then I will continue. The basic difference single channel and multiple channel is that whatever bandwidth we have, the simple logic, don't get confused. Whatever bandwidth we have, because in contention base there is no specific size of bandwidth or there is no reservation. The simple one. Okay, that means whatever bandwidth we have, in single channel protocol, the entire bandwidth is used by a single channel. That means if I'm using the radio frequency, whatever is required or not, I capture entire bandwidth. But in multiple channel, the bandwidth is divided into multiple channels. Some channels are used for that particular purpose. Some channels are used for the another purpose, which increase the transmission rate. Okay, which increase the transmission rate. Okay. Now, in the busy tone multiple access protocol, what they do, uh, uh, or in multiple channel protocol, what they do, they split the transmission channel into two main sub channels. One is for data transmission, and the next one is called, or next one is for tone signal. Okay. Because you have to indicate whether the channel is busy or not. Because see, we have a radio frequency. Suppose node A and B are using, now node C want to assess it. If assess it and the response, whether it is busy or whether it is available, the C is not sure whether to wait or continue to try to assess the set. So that's why in multiple channel, what they do, they simply divided the entire bandwidth into multiple channels so that multiple response can be sent as and when required. And busy tone multiple access protocol is one of them. Yeah, right. Busy tone multiple access protocol. Under busy tone, you write the busy tone multiple access, that is BTMA protocol. The busy tone multiple access, that is BTMA, protocols are proposed for are proposed for overcoming the hidden terminal problems. Usually faced in wireless environment. The next point, or next line, or next paragraph also. The transmission channel is split into two sub-channels. The transmission channel is split into two sub-channels. Number A data channel, number B a control channel. Next, the data channel is used for data packet transmission. The data channel is used for data packet transmission. While the control channel is used for transmitting the busy tone signal. Next paragraph. Busy tone multiple access protocol are of three types. Number 1, basic busy tone multiple access protocol, or simply busy tone multiple access protocol. Next, dual busy tone multiple access protocol. Busy tone multiple access protocol. Receiver initiated busy tone multiple access protocol.
Sir, third one.
The third one is receiver initiated digital protocol. Two protocols are of sender initiated. That means from digital multiple access protocol is the category. From this category, the first two from sender initiated and one category from receiver initiated. One from receiver initiated. Receiver initiated digital protocol. So that means in this digital multiple access protocol, the transmission channel is split into two categories, one for data transmission, one for physiton signal transmission. That means if currently a node is associated to someone else or they are involved in a transmission, if someone else is node, the node can transmit signal that I am busy right now. Please contact later, or I will contact you. Okay? But in earlier case where there is only one channel, already I have used this channel in some transmission. So I cannot send a busy tone to any other nodes who are approaching to me. Okay, so that means this is the advantage of digital multiple access protocol. But still, that means which reduces the probability of the collision. Because before sending, because I'm continuously approaching to someone and there is no feedback, there is no response from that node, I simply send a packet, suppose. But since the node is already associated with someone else, the node cannot receive the packet. If it receives the packet also, there is a collision with the previously transmitted data and the newly associated data. But if I send a busy tone, means it reduce the probability of collision. It will reduce. It does not mean that there is no chance of collision. Still, there are some chances, but it will reduce the probability, or we can say it is the probability of collision is very low in BTMA protocol. It is very low, but we cannot say there is no chance of collision. We cannot say, but still, the relation is 4. 4 is very poor. Means when we divided the transmission channel into two sub channels, we can say that this much is this much data transmission, each much of bandwidth is sufficient for control channel transmission, because the data packet may be in bigger in size or smaller in size, or the control I have to send multiple control signals to multiple nodes. So that means the bandwidth utilization is not sufficient. That means in advantage we can write it as a advantage of busy tone, right? Advantage that the probability of collision is very low in BTM. In advantage, we can say that the probability of collision is very low in BTMA. In limitations, we can say that the bandwidth utilization is not very Good. Is, is it clear to everyone? Okay. Then let's move to the next protocol of visitone that